Hi, welcome back. I've loaded up the Elements of Game Design Start scene from the course library. Right now this scene is static. We will be adding some interactive elements to make this scene fun to explore. If you ever want to see how the end results look, or you want to examine the scripts for the scene, you can always load the Elements of Game Design End scene for reference. Now let's take a quick look at what we have in this scene. I'm just going to back out a little bit here so we can see the whole scene. We have a sky dome. This is just a half sphere with inverted normals and a sky texture applied using the Constant Material DX shader. We can actually rotate around and we will always see the sky because the normals point inwards. Then we actually have two ground planes here. One is slightly higher than the other. The first ground plane has a patchy grass texture applied to it. The second has a sand texture with an alpha map. This makes some of the ground transparent so it shows up in patches. It helps break up the repetition of the ground texture a bit more. Now we can also see that there are some rocks in the scene, as well as a couple of buildings and other objects. We will be adding different interactive elements in the buildings to make it interesting. The first thing that we're going to do, though, is create a rockfall. The player will start here in this rock enclosure. When they try to walk out the entrance, the rocks will fall down, trapping them in. Then they'll have to use a teleportation machine to teleport out of the rock enclosure to continue on exploring the scene. If you meet me in the next video, we'll get started scripting the rockfall.